parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have a Tabata. We will have 4 stations during this Tabata. So movement number 1 will be an arch hold. Movement number 2 will be a straddle side plank on the right. Movement number 3 will be a supine straight leg bridge. And movement number 4 will be a straddle side plank on the left. Reminder that a Tabata is 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest. We're going to perform 8 rounds of each of these movements. So we're going to cycle through the list that I just described until we have completed 8 of each movement. All right, you guys, and moving on for part B, we have a workout that is for time. Today's workout is a chipper. So we have 50 box jumps, followed by 40 dumbbell snatch, then 30 single arm dumbbell thrusters. Then we're gonna head back up the list. We've got 40 dumbbell snatches, 50 box jumps. That is our list. We have a 15-minute time cap for this workout. So you will either complete that list of movements for time, or you'll go as far as you can in 15 minutes. All right, everybody, best of luck. We're excited to hear how you do. Get after it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be taking you through the warm-up. Started off, we have 50 jumping jacks, followed by 20 lunges total, 10 per leg, and then another set of 50 jumping jacks. All right, from there we're gonna do some stretching. Our first position, we're gonna go into a pigeon pose, stretch out those legs a little bit on each side. Then from there, we have a cactus stretch, so laying flat on our stomach, getting one arm into a 90-degree angle, stretching out that chest. All right, and then our last stretch, we'll hit a pike stretch. Try to stretch out those hammies a little bit while trying to flatten out your spine. All right, after our stretching, we're gonna go into 3 rounds. We're gonna start with 8 floor bridges, warm up those legs, followed by 8 V-ups. Then we're gonna stand up, get 8 good mornings, and our last movement is 8 squat cleans. All right, you guys, get after it.